So, now I want to discuss the emotional and psychological impacts of microaggressions. And we're going to delve into this emotional toll and psychological effects that microaggressions have on individuals. So, microaggressions, often subtle and insidious, can deeply impact a person's emotional and mental well being. So, repeated exposure to microaggressions can cause heightened levels of stress and anxiety. Victims may feel constantly on guard and unsure as to when that next slight will end up occurring. Microaggressions can slowly erode a person's self esteem. So, consistent undermining messages can lead to self doubt and a diminished sense of self worth. And microaggressions often target core aspects of an individual's identity. So, things such as race, gender, sexual orientation, so on and so forth, which is leading to internal conflicts and struggles with their self identity. And those who frequently experience microaggressions may feel isolated or disconnected from their peers or community, exacerbating feelings of loneliness and belongingness. So, long term exposure to microaggressions can contribute to mental health issues such as depression, trauma, and a persistent sense of vulnerability.